So I've converted into this girl. Do you know this girl? I've converted into her. So I'm dealing with a lot of itching, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. HairObsess Jay C here, always on a hair obsessed journey to long relaxed hair. So if you guys haven't seen my DIY for itchy scalp treatment, you guys can check that out in the cards above. In that video, I did this treatment and it's been working. At the end of the video, what I had to do was to add 1/4 of a teaspoon more of the eucalyptus oil to this treatment so that it can have a more stronger effect on the cooling sensation that I love. So I have been using this every 2 days, and so far I like it. It does help to soothe the itching that I've been having. So I use it in conjunction with this, and this is the tea tree braid spray, the therapeutic one. And the reason why I use it in conjunction with the DIY is because this one helps to control the flaking. It also adds shine, and it also keeps the scalp having the cool feeling as well as my DIY treatment. I really like this. I do like it. It helps with the itching. So I've been using these two in conjunction, but I ran out of this one, so then I borrowed this from my mom. Now this braid spray from the African Pride Olive Miracle, this one, it didn't help me with the itching, but it helps with the moisturizing of the hair roots. So I went and got my own, and this one was recommended to me at the beauty supply store, the Lucky Beauty Supply store here locally. And this one is the sulfate medicated dandruff treatment for braids, and it prevents dry scalp, and it also helps with the itchy scalp. I like it because it moisturizes my hair, but in terms of the itching, it doesn't help me that much. What I've been using is these two, and these are the two that has been helping. I really believe because of the cool feeling, that cool sensation is what is helping me with the itching. Does it help me throughout the entire day? No, it doesn't. Another thing that I failed to mention to you guys is that I've been leaving my edges alone. In my last few videos, I was just doing that because of the video purpose, but I just leave it because I want at the end of me taking these out that I still have my edges intact. Okay, so I did not do any edge control situation this morning. So if that bothers you, I'm sorry, but I would love to keep my edges intact after this whole process. I'm now 3 weeks into the protective styling, and I'm gonna try to reach to the following week. But for these two are not helping me with the itching, but they are helping me to moisturize, or to keep my roots moisturized, because I'm getting this section, and when I do feel, I can feel the amount of moisture that is there. So I do this every 2 days, and I tie my hair as you saw that I did in my DIY treatment. So I hope this video was helpful for persons who, like myself, have been dealing with a lot of itchy scalp when you're wearing a protective style like this with the braidings, with the hair braids. So I really hope that this helped someone. Give this video a like if it did help. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.